Hi guys, welcome to a new video on my channel. So here we are at a small town used car dealership. I've been here before and I just drove by and I see they have some new cars. So let's go look around. And these are the guys that have those cameras that record, and I don't like that because they hear the sound and then they know what I'm talking about. Not saying anything bad, but it's a little awkward. All right, this Mercedes here is a C-Class, a C300 4MATIC. And what do I think about this? Of course there's no price in it, but let's look. It looks pretty clean. I am not a C-Class fan. I've always heard that the quality of the C-Class is not as great. I've never owned one. Maybe you guys know. I see this here is came off, but not a bad car. It looks in a decent shape, I would say. And here we have the competition here with a BMW. It looks like it's a 3 Series. That's kind of funny, it really is the competition. And also black leather seats inside. Let's see. And this is a 335i, which engine wise I would prefer that. I mean the straight 6 cylinder in the BMW is really good. That's the X drive, so the 4-wheel, the all-wheel drive version of it. Also not my dream car and probably not something I would buy, but good car I think, and yeah, a great car. These here are probably good cars too, but not what I like. I'll be in the market for a truck sometime, just because I need it a lot of times. But these here, as a Toyota Tacoma, they're very small inside. The Tacomas, they don't look bad, but they're very small inside, so I'll pass. And this here is a Chevy Colorado, and well, the Colorado is not a bad truck. I just don't like the looks of it. And this one is 24,000, and no, and it's an LT. No, I would not like that. This here looks more what I like. It's in the F-150, and it looks like it might even be a King Ranch. A really cool truck, and I think that is a King Ranch, which you see it in the different colors here. There's a metallic brown, there's a metallic white there. Another camera whistled at me, gets me every time. I can see some water in the fogs here. Definitely has to be changed. Let's see. Yeah, King Ranch. One of my favorite trims, because the seats have that nice leather. They used to have that saddle leather all over. They don't have that anymore, which is weird, disappointing. It still looks good. Yeah, that's a nice truck. You have to see where it comes from. If they come from Canada, I'm always a little more suspicious. Looks like the steering wheel is pretty worn there. You see that? Steering wheel is pretty worn. It means a lot of miles. Sadly, no sign, so I don't know how many miles it has. But from the wear and tear, I would say this one has a lot of miles. But there you see it. It's not a bad truck. Probably too many miles for me. Little Escape, not bad. There's a Fiesta ST, pretty cool. I mean, they're small, the Fiesta, very popular in Europe too. And the ST, I don't know how many horsepower it has, but quite a bit of horsepower and a really fun little hatch back to drive. So if I had time, I got time, but if I had money and a lot of space, I might buy all kinds of cars. I would buy one of these too, just because it's fun. It looks like someone had a hookup to pull it behind an RV. See, there's the power, which that completely ruins the whole front of it. So I don't know how much they want for this, but that completely ruins it. It looks terrible, really ugly. Pretty sad. Pretty good car. Nice rims too. These have been painted by someone, but pretty wheels. I mean, yeah, I think this is a pretty nice sporty vehicle there. Chevy Bolt EV. No, I don't want that. Jeeps are cool, but also not for me. Here's another Camaro. Had one last time here, the exact same dealership. Okay, it's getting cold. I'm gonna go home. I hope you enjoyed these cars. Sorry there were no more details or prices, but most of them don't have the price sticker in the windshield. So, all right, have a good day. See you next time.